Hello, good afternoon. Let's talk about one very important topic of Calc software, that is subtotal option. Right, let me share my screen first of all. Now, if you see what is subtotal option and why it is used. Now, subtotal option is used just to find out some total of only few of the values entered into a list of values. Right? For example, if you have sales of an organization of the complete year, then uh, I want that the sale of each month should also come. Plus, at the end of everything, there should be the grand total of the complete sale of the year. Right? So that we can achieve from this subtotal option. Right? Now let's see how it is done practically. Let's go to the practical file. So let's say we have the sale of an organization and there are 5 sales given here, 4 sales for each month. Like for example, in April month, this is the first sale of the first week. This is the sale of the second week. This is the sale of the third week and fourth week. Similarly, we have 4 sales of each week for the March month. Now I want the total of all these 4 sales of April also, the total of all these 4 sales of March also, and in the end, I should want to show the grand total also. Now there is one more thing that I have taken only 2 months. You can take up 4, 5, 6 months or the entire years, and the complete data can be used, right? So I've taken only 2 months for the example. Sorry. So now, how do we apply this subtotal option? Now, to apply the subtotal option, the option lies in data tab. Click on the data tab. There's an option called as subtotal. Just click on that total. So let's go to that. Go to data tab, subtotals option. Now we'll get one dialog box like this. Now, in the dialog box, there are 3 options. First is group by. The group by means that in which column you will make groups, right? Like, for example, I want here the grouping to be done for April month, then grouping to be done for the March month. So I'll consider column A here. Now I have given a label here as sales. This label is given to the entire column. So you must give a label that is easier to give a label in the top. Otherwise, if you are not given a label, it will show you the column number. Like if you see here, if you click here, it will show you sales and column B. If sale is not there, then you can have, or you will have column A written here. So you have to choose which column you want group with. So I'll go with sale now. The next part is subtotals, in which column you have values to which you want to apply the subtotals. So in our case, we'll go with column B because we want the total of these values here in the column B given here, right? Third thing is you have to select one function, which function you want to apply. Now we want sum of all the sales here, so we'll go with sum. And if you want to count how many times the sale has been done, so you can go with count. If you want to find out the average, you can go with average. Then max, min, product, and likewise there are other functions also. Now let's consider sum as the option here. So that is all you need to do. And just I'll repeat once again that these things, the columns that you choose here should be chosen very carefully. The group by option should have the column where you want to create a group, and calculate subtotals for the option should be the values, the column which are having values. You have to select that particular column. Then simply click on OK button and you will see now the subtotal option is applied. You will see in March month, these 4 values, these 4 are the sales of each week. And it automatically tells you the sum of all the values of the April month. Then it automatically creates the sum of all the values of the March month. And this is the grand total that we can see at the bottom. Right? So this is how we can find out or we can apply the subtotal option in Calc. I hope this is all clear to you. So that's all from my side. Just I want to add up one more thing. Kindly practice this at home at least once. In case you find any difficulty, we can discuss in later on, right? You can text me anytime. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.